welcome. Yes, we are still getting through. Now let's see, using LU from a PA to solve for a what? A system. We are going to see how we can use LU, the idea of LU from a PA, that is the permutation matrix, to solve for a system. So we are still using this idea, the matrix times the x is equal to what? B. So here you multiply through by p because you want to generate this from a permutation. So multiply through by p and you will get this. But you know that p is equal to what? LU. We have already established that. Go back to the previous video. So that means that we are going to get this. Then we can say that Ly is equal to PB and US is equal to what? Y. Please, you don't need all these things. You don't need it. We just need these two in order to go by your questions. Okay? Good. So let this be your first and let's move on. Alright, so now, first question. Given that A is equal to this, B is equal to that. Solve the system AX is equal to what? B. Find a permutation. So first of all, solve the system AX is equal to B. So it means that we are using this to solve for what? A system. Find a permutation matrix P and L and U such that, alright, so we have combined all these ideas into this question. So let's see how we are going to do it. You will have it. So what is the first thing to do? First, achieve your upper triangular matrix. So you know A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 0, 3, please. It's not my contact, 0, 2, 4. Alright, 4, 1, 5. Alright, so now let's achieve the lower triangular, the upper triangular matrix. So you can see that you have to do something, right? We want to achieve here to be 0, 0, 0, but why are we 0 here? It can't be that. It can't be that. So we have to swap. So we have to swap R1 or interchange R1 and what? R3. And that interchanging or swapping will bring what? P1, the first permutation. Alright, so here, when you do that, you get 4, 1, 5, 0, 3, 4, 0, 2, 4, the contacts. Alright, so now, from here is already 0, here is 0, so we have to try and make here 0, right? So multiply 2 by this and subtract 8, we are going to get that. So when you do it that way, we are going to get that. But see, if you try to multiply 2 by 1, then subtract, it will make here 0 though. But check here, this to row 1, it will affect here. So what you have to do, consider this and this, right? So you write row 3 minus. Now, since 2 is here, 2 over the 3 here, 3. So when 2 over 3 multiply this, the 3 will cancel. And when it cancels, our 3 is what? 2. So when you subtract that, you get what? 0. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, doing that, you get 4, 1, 5, 0, 3, 4, then 0, 0, negative 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Beautiful. So we have achieved our upper triangular matrix. So here, and I already told you that this upper triangular matrix you achieve is not where the focus is. We are using that to just get the permutes. We will go back and find the rare upper triangular matrix again at where we multiply P by what? A. Good. So we have only one permute, right? So P is equal to be P1. P is going to be equal to P1. And okay, so now we write the identity matrix. So P is not 4 by 4. If it's 4 by 4, you write 4 by 5 identity matrix. This is 3 by 3. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright? So by applying the P1 to it, is interchange row 1 and row what? 3. So you get 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. No problem here. By the first will come here 1, 0, 0. Alright, so therefore our P is equal to be 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. That's going to be our P. Great! Great! So now that we have the P, then we can now go and multiply the P by the what? By the A. And you know this is the A. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the PA is going to be equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Multiplied by the A. The A is the original matrix we use. Is my marker flowing well? Alright, so let's go. 7, good, this one is good. 4, 1, 5. So when you multiply the P by the A, please see. The P1 is interchanging row what? 1 and what? 3. So when you interchange this, that's what you are going to get. You try and see. So when you multiply this, you are going to get 4, 1, 5. You see the row 3 is coming to row 1. Okay. 0, 3, 7. You see that this one is maintaining at where it is. Sorry. Here is 3. Or 5 from the question. Oh, it's 3. It's 3. Alright, let's continue. So you see that the row 3 is going to row 1. And the middle is maintained. So now this will come here. So even if you get 2 permutes, if let's say the first P1, you interchange row 2 and row 3. Come and interchange it here. After interchanging, apply the next permute and you get it. Or if you want to confuse yourself, take a calculator, multiply this by this and go your way. But let's say you have 4 by 4 question to do. And your calculator cannot do 4 by 4 matrix. What will you do? Use that idea and you go your way. So now, that's going to be the PA. So after getting the PA, then you now go and find the upper triangular matrix again. In order for you to get the what? The lower triangular what? Matrix. So that you can say that PA is equal to what? LU. Oh, beautiful. So now, use this one to go for your upper triangular matrix. So, where are we? Okay, so to obtain the upper, 4, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 5, 7, 4. 0, 0 is already here. We are left only this to be 0. Alright, so what will we wait here? So row 3 minus 2 over 3. It's just simple. 2 over 3. Row 2 into new row 3. Alright, so when you do that, you're going to get 4, 1, 5, 0, 3, 7, 0, 0, negative 2 over 3. Beautiful. So now you get your upper. So this is the original upper. Even though it might be the same, but forget it. Go by that idea that you will find 2 uppers. That's all. Alright, so now we use our rule here to write it in inverse to get the lower, right? Don't forget that we are finding system, but you have to first get the PA is equal to LE. Alright, so let's continue. So the rule and its inverse. Alright, so the rule is R3 minus 2 over 3 R2. So the inverse will be R3 plus 2 over 3 R2. This is not the same as the inverse. You find the inverse of a matrix and you are rewriting the rule. Be careful with the two. Alright, so now from here, then we can say that if you have an identity matrix of this 3 by 3 matrix, your lower triangular matrix is going to be, let this affect this. So what is going to be? You are putting this at row what? 3. That means that row 1 will maintain, row 3 row 2 will maintain, but the row 3 will be affected. So what is going to be? Multiply that by that and see what you are going to get. Alright, so now our lower triangular matrix is going to be 0, 2 over 3, 1. Beautiful, beautiful. Therefore, we can now say that now we have P, we have A, we have whatever. So PA is equal to what? LU. So what is the P? When you multiply the P and the A, alright, so now we can say that our PA is equal to what? LU. We know it already. We have found all that already. So you have to rewrite it again to show it, okay? But for me, I have to continue. Now, we have found this system, right? So the first one you use is Ly is equal to PB. Are you forgetting it? The Ly is equal to the B. That's what you will take first. Because now you have your PA is equal to what? LU. So that means you have your L. You have PB. You don't have PB. So you have to go for what? PB. So PB is going to be equal to the permutation 001. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. Multiplied by the B, which is negative 1, 0, 2. Alright. And when you multiply this by that, you're going to get 2, 0, negative 1. In fact, you see, the third row becoming the first. Do you know why? Because we generated this from only one permute. That says that your first row becomes your third. That is it. So that's why you're getting that. Now that we have this, we can now go and find our y. It's just simple, but difficult. I love it. So Ly is equal to PB. So the lower is what? Okay, so the lower is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2 over 3. Is it long? It's not long. Y1, the understanding is the key. The concept, yes. I like the concept. Alright, so now, from here, we can now do our back substitution. So, Y1 will be equal to 2. Then, Y2 will be equal to, because here is Y1 is 0, so Y2 is equal to 0. And Y, okay, so 2 over 3 Y2, good, plus Y3 here is equal to this negative 1. I hope you can see that. Good. And when you do that, since you have Y2, put it here. So Y3 will be equal to negative 1. Beautiful. Beautiful. Therefore, Y1, Y2, Y3 is equal to, hey, where are you? 2, 0, negative 1. Alright, so now you are not yet done, though. I hope you know you are not yet done. Hey, to be a mathematician, you have to be active in your workers. Alright. So now, this will help us to get the y. So that when we put down this formula, us is equal to, hey, I forgot it, y. We can now get the x's because we know what the y. Okay. All right. So now the upper triangular matrix is going to be 415 037 00 negative 2 over 3. Beautiful. S1, S2, S3. Beautiful. Then the y is already known to be 20 negative 1. Alright, so here you do back substitution and you go your way. So here is 4s1 plus s2 plus 5s3 is equal to 2. So here that's 0. So let's come to this. 3s2 plus 7s3 is equal to 0. Negative 2 over 3 S3 is equal to negative 1. Beautiful. Beautiful. So here, straight away, you can see that S3 is equal to 3 over 2. Yes. Yes. S3 is going to be 3 over 2. Huh? And from here, you should be able to do it. Okay? Now you know it's 3 over 2. Do the substitution here, you get the S2. After getting the S2, you know S3, you can get S1. Okay, so do that. I'll write the answer for you. So S2 is going to be negative 7 over 3, and the S1 is going to be negative 4. Therefore, S1, S2, S3 is equal to negative half, negative 7 over 3, 3 over 2. And you are done. Yes, you have been able to achieve PA is equal to LU. And we have used this idea to solve the system of the equation. In fact, even if the question don't tell you to find PA is equal to LU, you still have to go through that procedure because you will need it in getting your solution to the system. Okay? Alright. So now you know how to find system of an equation which is AX is equal to B in LU and in what? PA. So what the question is given to you, it will depend on how the person will quote it, okay? If the question says you have to use LU factorization, go by that. If you have to use PA, go by that. See you for the next video. In all, you get the same results. Bye-bye. Please, don't forget to subscribe.